Hi, everyone, welcome to Fit Nation Hub. If you're struggling with sleep, this video is for you. Today, we'll go through a 20-minute gentle yoga flow designed to calm your body and mind, helping you drift off to sleep more easily. You don't need any fancy equipment, just a comfortable space, a yoga mat, and maybe a pillow or blanket if you like. Before we start, take a moment to silence your phone, dim the lights, and create a peaceful atmosphere. Let's begin. To prepare for better sleep, we'll begin with a simple breathing exercise. Sit comfortably, relax your shoulders, and place your hands on your knees or in your lap. We're going to practice 4-7-8 breathing. Inhale deeply through your nose for a count of 4. Hold your breath for 7. Exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 8. Let's do this together for 3 rounds. Great job! This type of breathing slows your heart rate and tells your body it's time to relax. Next, we'll do a seated forward fold, which stretches your back and hamstrings while calming your nervous system. Sit with your legs straight in front of you. Inhale and lengthen your spine. As you exhale, gently fold forward, reaching for your toes or shins, whatever feels comfortable. Let your head hang heavy and hold this position for 5 deep breaths. Don't worry about how far you can go, this is about relaxation, not flexibility. Now let's move into supported child's pose, a deeply relaxing position. Start on your hands and knees. Sit back onto your heels, bringing your forehead to the mat. Stretch your arms forward or rest them by your sides. If it feels good, place a pillow under your chest or forehead for extra support. Stay here for 8 deep breaths, letting your hips and lower back release. Reclined butterfly pose is perfect for opening the hips and calming the body. Lie on your back and bring the soles of your feet together, letting your knees fall open like butterfly wings. Place a pillow under your knees if needed for support. Rest your hands on your belly or by your sides. Take 10 slow, deep breaths here, focusing on the gentle rise and fall of your chest. Let's move into a gentle spinal twist to release tension in your lower back and hips. Lie on your back and bring your knees to your chest. Let your knees drop to one side while keeping your shoulders grounded. Extend your arms out like a T and turn your gaze toward the opposite side. Hold for 5 breaths, then switch sides. This next pose, legs up the wall, is fantastic for reducing stress and improving circulation, both of which help with sleep. Sit sideways against a wall and swing your legs up, resting them vertically against the wall. Scoot your hips closer to the wall, or keep some space if that feels better. Rest your arms by your sides, palms up. Stay here for 3 minutes, breathing deeply and letting your whole body relax. We'll end with Savasana, the ultimate relaxation pose. Lie flat on your back with your arms at your sides and palms facing up. Let your feet fall naturally open. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, then let your breathing return to its natural rhythm. As you lie here, let go of any tension in your body. Imagine each breath washing away your worries and preparing you for restful sleep. Thank you so much for joining me tonight. I hope this practice helps you unwind and get the restful sleep you deserve. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might benefit from better sleep. Sweet dreams, and I'll see you next time.